batteries, for the electric motors rather. There's some wheel spin there. It has enough feel to it, but it is still heavily assisted and it rotates instantly. Hey guys, here we have the BYD ATTO 3, an all-electric crossover from BYD. Has a nice BYD design badging right there, and it has this nice texture also. So here it is at the rear. It has the Build Your Dreams moniker at the back. Let's check out the boot. It is not power operated. Decent size for its crossover dimensions. You do have no spare tire underneath, but you have this second floor for the cargo area. To close it, just drop it like that. Rear seating, there's decent amount of space right here. I have tons of legroom. The floor is slightly higher than usual because the batteries are placed underneath. You have center armrest right here with 2 cup holders, leather seats which feels nice to the touch. You have this funky door handle and this guitar string for the door cubby. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So here's the key for the ATTO 3. You have your lock, unlock for your trunk release, and your remote start. This is it's a light key, so to start it, just place it inside the car and press the start stop button. And being an electric vehicle, there's no sound, engine sound. It's really quiet. The doors are quite solid. And to turn on the air conditioning, you just press this on the screen. You also have these funky air vents. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Put our seatbelts on. You have to press the unlock button right here, and the parking brake automatically disengages. The NVH is good in this car. We're riding on a brick road right now. You can barely feel it. It soaks up the bumps pretty well too. The steering is so light, but it's okay. It has enough feel to it, but it is still heavily assisted. Oh, this one is the auto hold. There you go. So you also have some aircon controls right here. This is the center console for the ATTO 3. You have a wireless charger right here, again with the funky air vents. The gear selector, you have your parking sensors, your blind spot monitoring. This is for your brake regen, so we set it to standard or high. You have 2 cup holders here which are kind of small, traction control, and your driving modes. So we were in eco, now let's switch it to sport mode. You have automatic headlights. The 3-spoke design is very funky. It kind of simulates like a whale tail. And this is to rotate the screen. Here you also have your cruise control, your camera, 360 camera, and these are some of your controls for the radio and your telephone. You also have here your functions for your active cruise control. So you also have AC settings, so you can have the best of both worlds here. If you want a portrait screen or a landscape screen, just click this button and it rotates instantly. Center console, it does have this ridge, interesting pattern, fairly deep. Oh, it's a nice size actually. And this one is floating, so you can insert more stuff there. You also have USB-C and then USB-A inputs. Okay. feels very planted actually, but the steering is just so light. Body roll is okay. Again, the batteries are underneath, but oh my god, that instant power from the batteries, for the electric motors rather. There you go. Put it in reverse. This Atto 3 is really easy to maneuver around, and the cameras are a nice resolution too. There's some wheel spin there. Wow. Very engaging to drive. It's so fast. That's all I can say to this Atto 3. But again, the ride comfort, it's very comfortable actually. Let's just park it right here. Alright, to put it in park. Oh, this one. Okay. There's this little button right here that is very hidden. So to put it in park, just press that. That was a quick drive off the BYD Atto 3. To turn it off, it just, oh, this is the on and off for the climate control. And just press this stop button. Nice and quiet. And the electronic parking brake automatically engages. So, alright guys, that was a quick drive off the BYD Atto 3. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.